For question number 32, part A, we have to sketch the graph of y is equal to x into modulus of x and has found the area bounded by this curve, x-axis and the ordinates. So the first task is to sketch the graph, this, and we know that modulus of x is x when x is greater than equal to 0, and it's negative x when x is less than 0. So that means if we multiply this with x, it becomes x squared and this becomes negative of x squared. So this is y is equal to, so let's sketch the graph for this. And to sketch the graph, let's get our coordinate axis. And let's say this is y-axis and this is the horizontal one, x-axis. Okay. X and y-axis. Let this be the origin. These be the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And these be negative 1 and negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So 1, 2, 3, sorry. Let this be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So if I put x as 1, which is greater than 0, so this will be x squared. So this is our first 1 comma 1. If I put 2, which is greater than 0, so 2 squared is 4. So this is 4. And this graph goes like this, the freehand curve. Now, if it's less than 0, let's say negative 1. So this is negative 1 squared, so which is here negative 1 and 1. If I put negative 2, so negative 2 means negative of 2 square, which is negative 4. So if it's negative 2, then if it's negative 2, then it's negative 4. So this graph goes like this. Okay, now we have the ordinates x is equal to negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2 is the line, this one. This is x is equal to negative 2. And this is x is equal to 2. This is x is equal to 2. Okay, now our concern area, the shaded area, is this one. This is the this one with this one. And this area goes from negative 2 to limits. So that is our required area is equal to integration of negative 2 to 2 y into dx. Now this area is symmetrical about x-axis. I can write it as 2 times the, if I find out the shaded areas for the limit 0 to 2, just multiply it with 2 because this region is symmetrical. These two regions, this one and these are symmetrical. So I will find the area of this region and multiply it with 2 to get the area of this region. As these are symmetrical, but the limit goes from 0 to 2, y into dx. So this y into dx, because the x is positive, so it should be x squared into dx. So this is the case. And now integration of x squared is x cubed by 3 for the limits 0 to 2. So this is 2 into 2 cubed by 3. Let's evaluate it. This is 2 into 8 by 3, which gives me 16 by 3 square units. So 16 by 3 square units is the required shaded area.